Are you tired of spending hours paddling around in circles, hoping to come across a good fishing spot? Or perhaps you're new to kayak fishing and don't know where to start? Well, have no fear, because in this video, we'll be discussing the best fish finders for kayaks. Fish finders are a game changer for kayak anglers. They help you locate fish quickly and accurately, saving you time and energy while also increasing your chances of catching more fish. But with so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your kayak. That's where I come in. In this video, I'll be sharing my top picks for the best fish finders for kayaks based on my personal experience and research. I'll be covering everything from screen size and resolution to battery life and ease of use. So whether you're a seasoned kayak angler looking to upgrade your gear or a beginner just starting out, this video is for you. Stay tuned to find out which fish finders made the cut and why they're the best for kayaks. Let's dive in. Number 1. Garmin Striker 4 Fish Finder. The Garmin Striker 4 is a hugely popular fish finder with chirp sonar and transducer. And that comes as no surprise, considering how much is packed into this compact, powerful, and highly portable unit. The Clearview scanning shows more of what is around your craft, which offers near photo quality renditions of fish, terrain, objects, and underwater structures. Very easy to install, with keyed interface and user-friendly operating system. It has a waterproof rating of IPX7, and is housed in a durable unit that's built to last. Clearview scanning sonar shows you more of what is in the water around your boat. This high-frequency sonar gives near photographic images with detailed representations of objects, structure and fish. You can quickly and easily see your boat's speed on the screen of your Striker fish finder. It's a great tool to make sure you are trolling at the right speed for the lure you're using and for a particular fish species. It's also a good way to tell if you are going the right speed in wake-controlled areas. A waypoint map allows you to easily navigate and mark locations of note, and it offers a maximum depth of 1,600 feet in freshwater and 750 feet in saltwater. Number 2. Lowrance Hook 2.5 Fish Finder. Lowrance is a byword for quality fish finders, offering some of the best sonar devices in the world. Their Hook 2 model is one such option, available in a choice of sizes, but the 5-inch machine is probably the best for use in a fishing kayak. With a triple-shot transducer and US inland lake maps pre-installed, it's very user-friendly, with phone-like menus and auto-tuning sonar, so you spend more time fishing and less time messing around with buttons. A wide chirp sonar cone provides double the coverage of most fish finders, including side imaging, and the Solar Max display gives crisp, clear feedback with excellent visibility in daylight. You will spend more time fishing and less time dialing in your sonar with Hook 2 auto-tuning sonar. Just plug it in and fish. It doesn't get any easier. Easily find depth changes, road beds or your favorite fishing spot on the built-in, high-detail US map in Hook 2, featuring 1-foot contours or more than 3,000 lakes. And a GPS plotter allows you to add waypoints and navigate the waters you're fishing as you go. Number 3. Venterior Portable Fish Finder. This handy little device is a fully rechargeable, compact fish finder that features a rather clever wireless transducer. Simply attach some fishing line and allow it to float out onto the water, or cast it further if you so choose. It'll then work its magic, bouncing a signal back to the portable unit, to give you temperature and depth information, as well as fish sizes and depth, and bottom contour. Able to be read in bright sunlight, the display is clear and colorful, and you'll be able to get a reading up to a maximum depth of 131 feet. It detects and displays water depth, water temperature, fish size, small/medium/big, fish depth, and bottom contour. It has work and simulation mode. Measure units of depth and temperature can be converted. Sonar beam angle, 90 degree. Depth range, 2.6131 ft/0.840 m. Maximum distance between the sensor and the screen, 262 ft/80 m. Perfect for a fishing kayak, or if you just want one of the most accessible sonar devices available. Number 4. Lucky Handheld Fish Finder. Let's dive to the other end of the price spectrum now with the Lucky Portable Fishing Sonar. The compact unit comes with a sonar transducer and is capable of displaying water depth, approximate fish location, short and tall weeds, as well as any sand and rocks on the bottom. A castable fish finder, the device is capable of a 45-degree cone underwater, with a maximum range of 328 feet, and has 25 feet of sonar cable. Besides fish depth and water depth, the handheld fish finder will also display short and tall weeds, sand and rocks on the bottom. Meanwhile, The measurement unit of the depth can be freely switched by feet or meter. The display is also visible in sunshine or darkness by turning on the backlight. Offering 5 sensitivity modes, a fish alarm, depth and battery strength indicators, and backlight mode, the Lucky Fish Finder is all you need for your fishing trip, particularly for kayak anglers. Number 5. Humminbird Helix 5 Fish Finder. This Humminbird Fish Finder is actually offered at a comparatively good price considering what you get, and should be more than enough for most kayak anglers. It's packed with features, including a 5-inch full-color display, with chirp technology that filters out noise for a much clearer view all around and below your kayak. See beautiful, razor-sharp images to help identify fish, with a dual beam option for a wider search area, or to focus for more precision. 2 beams combine for great detail and a generous coverage area, helping you identify fish, structure and contours. Use the narrow beam for high accuracy returns of fish, structure, detail and the bottom profile. Opt for the wide beam when you want a larger search area. You can view the beams separately, side by side or blended together for the complete picture. Your coverage area will be equal to your depth. GPS mapping, Auto Chart Live and Humminbird Base Map are all on hand to help you navigate the waters and plot your course, with a transducer, power cable, and gimbal mounting bracket all included.